Hey there, IQS fans. IQS is back with a brand new challenge. Today's challenge is guess the word by the emojis. The deeper you go, the crazier it gets. You'll face 15 fun emoji rounds, and you only get 10 seconds to guess the hidden word. So, think fast, look carefully, and trust your brain. Don't forget to hit subscribe, join the IQS squad, and let's get started right now. Your new emoji puzzle starts now. Ooh, this one is dragonfly. Do you know what word this is? Bow tie, you guessed it. What do these emojis mean? Basketball. Give it your best shot. Bug spray. Bye-bye bugs. Think fast. What word could this be? It's CapCut. Editing pros got this one. Next one coming up. Good eye, it's caramel. This round might break your brain. That's right, racehorse. Volcano. Who can guess this one first? Ring done, your phone is calling. Are you ready for another super tricky word challenge? It's definitely cauliflower. All right, let's switch it up. Sunrise. Good morning, sunshine. Can you answer this one right away? Fast food, quick and yummy. Think smart, not hard. Haircut is the correct answer. Does this one look familiar? Yep, it's hamster. Which word do we have here? Chocolate bombs.